Hi Bobs, I am back with another unboxing video. I swear this month this is all I'm doing. It's ridiculous. But first, in case we're meeting for the first time, my name is Anora Woods and go ahead, push that subscription button and let's get into this video. So I consider this very special because it is Gucci, and lately I just been buying so much Gucci. I don't know what's going on with me in Gucci, but I guess it's all Gucci over here. Okay, so what do you guys think it is? If you said we are unboxing shoes, then you most likely guessed it right. We are unboxing the Flash Track sneakers by Gucci, and I'm gonna cover a few things that I totally forgot to cover on my other videos, which is comfortability, true to sizing, and if they are worth it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the packaging. The packaging is amazing. It came in this beautiful big blue box and authentication cards by Gucci or cards to just verify that the item is basically real. And the shoes come in this dust bag. So there's two dust bags for each shoe. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually just open it so you guys can see as we go. But the packaging was absolutely A1. Beautiful, amazing. All of that. All of that. Just amazing. Okay, so in addition to the dust bag, there's also a plastic bag wrapped around the shoes, as you can see. So I'm gonna take that off and show you guys a close-up look. Look at the details into these beautiful babies. Look at that purple jewelry. I wonder if those are like semi-real or not. I would hope they are because these shoes are expensive and they are extremely heavy, just like holding them in my hand. So if you're all about weight and you're all about heavy shoes, then this might be the shoe for you. But if you don't care or you can manage, then it still might work or not. But definitely heavy, and they have this beautiful tag-ish logo at the back. And inside, these shoes are extremely comfortable in addition to the weight of it all. So they have like cushions and layers of um, some type of foam in there. I don't know what it is, but they really are comfortable, so I'm not gonna lie to you there. And they are true to size because I am a UK4, so in Italian size I'm a 36. So I got a 36 in these. So I'm gonna open the other one and see if they match, because when I bought these shoes, the first set was actually not the same size and I had to return it back. So I need to make sure that everything fits and it's actually the same shoe size, both of them. So yeah. So yeah guys, the shoes are so beautiful and I'm shooting this video late at night. I'm like really tired and had a long day, but I had to come and just shoot this video real quick. So comfortability wise, amazing. Good comfortability, has some type of foam in there, very spacious as well for a size 4. I still feel comfortable, they're not too snug. Price $1,590, a little pricey there, but still I had to get my hands on these babies. Extremely heavy, good quality. So yeah, I think you guys, these are definitely a winner. Gucci did a good job. I just don't like the back part of them though. I look like a construction worker when I'm wearing these, but I guess that's the look we're going for these days. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, thumbs it up and let me know if you would actually purchase this shoe. I think I covered most of the important aspects of this unboxing. If I didn't, go ahead, drop me a comment on the link below, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.